Welcome again this lovely video recipe, and in Tuscany this time is very chilly cold and we love to do the Tuscan soup. And here we have Pierpaolo explain this kind of soup and everything.
So, good morning. As Gabriele said, we're going to do some soups, warm and hearty soups. We'll start with a special one that is called minestra di farro and spelt soup, and I will tell you some secrets about it. Enjoy!
Okay, we are ready, very excited to cook a lovely soup, and now we start with the ingredients and all processing to make this lovely soup. Come on!
Okay, farro is one of the best ingredients and best grain that we can find here in Italy. It's very light but rich of protein without cholesterol, and rich also in different kind of vitamin. Was very known since medieval times. In fact, we found a script by Francesco Gaudenzio in the 600 Panuto talking about this grain that was associated to very few ingredients, making some very hearty and warmy soup. So we consider one of the most important grain in Italy. Minestra di farro. Now it's time for this soup. I show you the ingredients. Of course, carrots, onion, celery. Then we have borlotti, pinto beans, spelt, farro, tomato paste, and then of course salt, pepper and olive oil. First thing, we already cooked the pinto beans that we soaked overnight. We cook for half an hour, okay, and we keep the broth. The spelt it's ready to add, but first thing we need to prepare a vegetable broth. Okay, vegetable broth, as we know, we use fresh ingredients like carrots, celery, onion with the skin already, and some parsley to give some very good taste. We prepare the broth and we cook for half an hour. Our pinto beans are cooked, so now we take some of them and we pass. I use mashed potatoes, but it's working also, okay, to make a cream. Okay, we mashed half of the quantity of the beans, and now we add to the broth with the whole beans, pinto beans. We just add in the pan like 3 teaspoons of oil, okay? When the oil is going to be a little bit hot, we add our creamy tomatoes. Okay? After this, we have to wait 10 minutes and then we add the other ingredients. We add the pinto beans. You already mashed half of this with the water. Remember, half of the pinto beans, they are mashed. And then we add also our spelt that we already cleaned, washed. And we let cook until the spelt is ready, almost 20-25 minutes. With pinto beans, we are going to serve in a nice way.
Well done!
Great! See you next video and buon appetito to everyone.
Ciao, thank you very
Ciao.
much.